Alright guys, this is our first day at Lake Tahoe and we're going to take a cruise on this beautiful boat behind us. It's called Miss Dixie.
Right, let's go do this cruise.
Guys, we just took off and there's hardly anybody on this boat. It's like at 1/10 of capacity, and you can get up and explore the boat without losing your seat or being able to find another great spot to view everything from the boat.
Watch how the water changes from beautiful blue to emerald green.
Closer to the island, you'll notice a stone structure at its summit called the Tea House.
This is the other side of the Tea House Island. If you have kayaks or pontoons, there are stairs to access the top of the tea room.
So while I'm here on this boat, I ran into an old Air Force veteran, and he was a tail gunner on B-52s, and I was a jet engine mechanic on B-52, so we had a lot to talk about, and it was really fun talking about him. But he was a tail gunner before I was ever born. But he thanked me for doing such a great job of keeping the aircraft up and running, and of course we both thank each other for our services to the Air Force. But it's just really nice to run into an old Strategic Air Command veteran like that.
All right, let's take a tour of this Miss Dixie tour boat.
been a great trip out here on Lake Tahoe on this tourist boat. It was a little chilly out here.
It is.
So I would suggest if you're out here to wear some long sleeves, but I've enjoyed it quite well in shorts and short sleeves, shirt.
As long as the sun is out.
Out in the sunshine, it's been perfect. It's a perfect day for this. It's just amazing seeing all that snow still on top of the mountain, and we're almost in July 2023.
Yeah,
you know?
today's 27.
27.
Yeah, so it's almost July. I guess the snow will hang around all summer.
Who
The way it
knows?
looks.
They said they had an extra cold winter this year, right? Extra snow all year past winter.
Yep, the
So,
season for the season. Yeah.
we got plenty of adventures left ahead of us before we leave Tahoe.
This was kind of a spur of the moment
It
trip.
was. We had no idea we was going to do this.
No.
But it's a very, very pleasant experience.